Hello, my name is Matthew Hutka. I'm an entrepreneurship major and I graduate spring of 2019. To tell you a little bit about myself, my first job was at Panera Bread, where I was a sandwich maker. I learned a lot about teamwork and a lot about making cookies. My next job was at Fife Masonry, where I worked directly under Danny and Debbie Fife. I was a low-level accountant and I spent my days answering phones and helping the safety director. My most recent job was at Aspen Home Furniture, which was a summer internship. The first few weeks, I started out using a nail gun to build furniture, and by the end of it, I was designing my own piece. My interests and hobbies are watching and playing sports. I'm actually part of the Sun Devil water ski team, where we compete 4 times a semester. I love all outdoor activities, and I love to travel. If you think that we'll be a good team, please contact me. My email's right there, and I'll also respond to cell phone. Thank you and have a good day.